What's up, guys? Harry Games here, playing another round of Unturned. I'm starting a brand new world on a whole new island. Last time we were on Washington, now we're on Prince Edward Island. Let's just go ahead and start by running over a zombie. That's always what you want in a video. Die! Die! I'm a lawnmower. I'm a lawnmower going beep. I'm a lawnmower going vroom vroom vroom. Thank you. You down there. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you. It seems as if we're very hungry. Put on that. Yay, I found a canteen. It's actually really hard to find. So, we should be happy we found it. Well, I guess we should go looking around. Looking around. Looking around. Looking around. Scotfield. And we've got a Sport Shot magazine. Well, that's the wrong thing. Sport Shot. That's not what we need. Here's a fire. Let's go over here to this house. So, how you guys been doing in the YouTube world? Ooh, lettuce. Here we go. Ooh, a backpack. Wait, do they have a purple one? They have a purple. Oh, they don't have a purple one. I guess I'll just have to do with the white one. Something good. So, if you guys have had anything, like my first video, if you guys have had anything happening, please leave that down in the comments below. So, we're gonna make this video a little long, because I didn't have time to do my third video, which I wanted to get to my fourth on my first day on YouTube. But I only got to my second, so I'll make this one extra long. Well, let's go explore. We'll explore the world of Prince Edward Island. In our four-wheeler. Tree. Oh no! Oh no! No, I can't read my four-wheeler. My purple 4x4. Up the hill and down. Okay. This is swimming. We're gonna swim. We're gonna swim to the nearest. I think it's called. Man, they've made these maps bigger. Montague, are you on your bed? Okay. Let's see. Die. No, jump away. Speed. Okay. Bye. upgrade our skills. Let's go to overkill. No more. No more skills that we can use. Let's go find some food and stuff to drink, so we don't die of dehydration. Hey, look, a backpack. Well, we already have an orange, or a white one, so we don't need that. Okay, we're full. We might want to grab a car that actually has fuel. Maybe there's one over here. I see it. It's our next car is a green sedan, I think. Yeah, a green sedan. Okay. I go straight at least nowhere. Well, let's zoom. Oh no! I didn't mean to. Okay, here we go. Now, if we turn around, come down this road, let's head over to the Sunside military base, and we'll be rich with guns and ammo. So we'll just kind of drive around here. I think the right way. No, my sedan. Turn on our headlights. Go into first person. I like first person, but I mean, I like third person better for driving, but I like first person for doing other stuff. No, wait, Tim. Okay. And okay. Let's go. On our adventure to go seek the gold. On our adventure, we're gonna go kill some zombies and get gold. Get rich, we're the last person alive, it doesn't really matter. We're gonna kill all the zombies and move to a new planet. We'll be rich, we'll be famous, we'll be the best people that ever lived. Okay, we're coming up on our other place. Maybe we could hop over here while we the journey. A little less gas using. Almost there. Almost on the road. We have 0 gas left. Please don't make me walk. Oh, come on! Couldn't it have at least lasted to get me to that place? Well, anyway, let's fill up on water. Now, what I think is cool about the canteen is that we can just come over here to the lake. We look down at the water with our canteen, and we left click in the water. It scoops up water, and we can drink it. So now we have an endless source of water. So, let's head over to the town before it gets too dark. Which the town's in front of the station. I really want a katana. That's the one thing I miss, is my golden katana. Because I turned my gold upgrade on, so now I have a golden katana whenever I use it. Let's get into town, and then we'll go to the not the military, oh gosh, we'll go to the bank, and then we'll stop it there. How about that? Yeah, that works. 8. So that should be 10. Now I can upgrade my sharpshooter. Now I have 0 experience. Okay, let's go.